Welcome to AgriBoard channel. Today we are looking at Kashi Nidhi, an ICAR-developed cowpea variety that is helping farmers get earlier harvests, better yields and stronger market returns. If you want to know why this variety is becoming so popular across India, this video will break it down in a simple and practical way. Cowpea or lobia is a familiar crop in Indian homes, but for many farmers the older varieties created regular problems. Yields were not always stable, harvest took longer, and disease pressure could reduce income. That means more uncertainty and less planning power for small farmers. Kashi Nidhi was developed to address exactly these practical field-level issues. Kashi Nidhi is a cowpea variety developed by the ICAR Indian Institute of Vegetable Research in Varanasi. The aim was very clear: give farmers a variety that matures early, yields heavily, and stands up better to disease. Because it performs well and produces attractive pods, it has quickly gained trust among growers. Today it is seen as one of the dependable options for profitable cowpea cultivation. One useful feature of Kashi Nidhi is its compact bushy plant type. With a height of around 45 to 50 centimeters, it is easier to manage even in smaller holdings or where farmers follow intensive cropping. It is also photoinsensitive, which simply means sowing is more flexible and not tightly restricted by day length. This makes it suitable for both summer and rainy season cultivation in different regions. Early maturity is one of the biggest advantages of this variety. Kashi Nidhi starts flowering in about 35 to 40 days after sowing, and farmers can begin harvesting in around 50 to 55 days. That is a major benefit when cash flow matters and land must be used efficiently. In practical terms, this helps farmers fit cowpea into multiple cropping cycles and improve total farm productivity. Market acceptance depends a lot on appearance, and Kashi Nidhi performs strongly here. Its pods are dark green, slightly curved, and uniform in size, which buyers generally prefer. Each plant can bear around 40 to 45 pods, and the pods are both long and heavy. This combination of uniformity and visual appeal gives farmers a better chance of attracting good prices in wholesale as well as retail markets. Yield is where Kashi Nidhi really stands out. The variety has a green pod yield potential of about 140 to 150 quintals per hectare, which is a strong figure for farmers targeting the fresh market. Higher output from the same area means better use of land, labor, and irrigation. For commercial growers, this can directly improve profitability when combined with timely harvest and good market demand. Another major strength is resistance to cowpea golden mosaic virus or CGMV, which is one of the serious diseases in cowpea. When a variety has built-in resistance, farmers face fewer losses and often need fewer plant protection sprays. That helps reduce production cost and also supports safer, more eco-friendly cultivation. In many cases, disease resistance is what turns a good variety into a reliable one. Kashi Nidhi is also economical to establish, with a seed rate of around 20 to 25 kilograms per hectare. That keeps input needs reasonable, especially for small and marginal farmers who must control every cost carefully. Because the crop matures early and performs reliably, it can support more stable income and lower risk. It is suitable not only for commercial farms but also for kitchen gardens, where quick and steady production matters. Farmers adopting Kashi Nidhi are reporting real benefits in the form of higher net income, reduced crop losses, and better satisfaction with the crop. Because it combines early harvest, strong yield, disease resistance, and good market appeal, it solves several problems at once. That is why it is being recognized as a game changer in cowpea cultivation across India. In simple words, it connects farmer needs with consumer preference in a very practical way. So Kashi Nidhi stands out because it gives farmers early harvests, high yields, CGMV resistance, and pods that sell well in the market. If you found this useful, like the video, share it with fellow farmers and agriculture students, and subscribe to AgriBoard channel for more practical crop variety insights.